Hi, I'm Robert Leonard with DRS Electronics. We're here just outside of Austin, Texas at our beautiful 300-acre test facility to demonstrate the world's best metal detector, the DRS Ground Exper. Okay, now we're going to assemble it. So we're going to get our PC out and set it aside for a minute. And we're going to start with the 18-inch coil. It's nice to be able to set it up on a tabletop. It makes it a little easier. Get the wand out. And these are the little forearm holders. There's nylon screws inside that hold this all together. These attach to the back of the wand, just behind your handle here. Alright, so put those through like that. You're going to attach these wing nuts, and you want to leave this kind of loose so that when we put the system box on there, it slides. It'll slide right into this. Okay, and to mount the head, this is just going to slide on right underneath your forearm guard, and you tighten these bolts back down. Make sure that the button are facing towards the front, and then your battery connection and your PC connection are on the back. Then we get the rest of our wand. There's a little hole at the bottom. Make sure you have it lined up right. You just click that in there, and then you tighten this down, and that's good to go. Then you get your third screw here, push it down into the head, line the hole up. Okay, once you get all that tightened down, now we got to detail our cord here. What you're going to want to do is wrap it around this wand. Easiest way is just hold it up like this and start wrapping. You've also got this little cord there, that we're going to plug in here in a minute. Alright, so once you have this all wrapped around, it's going to plug in right here. And tighten that down so it doesn't come unplugged. And then this connection here is your imaging button that I talked about earlier. We just wrap this around here a few times, and it is going to plug in right here where it says picture. Okay, so once you have that plugged in, we are going to get the battery out. Battery plug. This goes in just the same as the other plug did. Plug it in, screw it down so it doesn't come unplugged, and then it screws in the same way to the back of the battery. Alright. Then we're going to get our tablet. Alright, tablet's going to plug in right back here. You have a little adapter here, these plug together, and then you just plug this other end in the side of your PC. Now your detector's ready. Okay, so that's the basic assembly. Now I'm going to show you how to basically put it on and be ready to use it. So this little backpack harness thing that I showed you before, this is where you're going to carry your battery. So we take this battery here. You want to face the battery back to your right side. The cord, so that it comes around I guess if you're left-handed, you may want to turn it around the other way. All right, so that goes like that. When we hook up our headphones, it's going to be over back on this side. All right, so we put this guy on. Buckle it up. All right, then we get our PC. I'm going to turn this around. All right, there's little elastic straps in here to hold this all in place. All right, this is going to go like this. All right, we get this and we are ready to go.